Every natural hair person, man, woman, child should have one of these. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm glad you clicked on the video. Welcome. My name is Christelle, and for this video we're just going to talk about the tools that I use to maintain my natural hair, things that I use to make my natural hair journey easier. They're not essential items. I mean, you know, they're just things that have made things easier. Am I making sense? I think that sounds like it makes sense. All right, so let's get into it. First thing, a wide tooth comb. All right, you see the space? You see the space? It makes detangling so much easier, and I don't have to stress my scalp, and I am tender-headed, so no. The thought of having to use this to detangle my hair, especially when it's super tangled, because you know you're lazy and you might skip a few steps that you were supposed to do but didn't, it just stresses me out just thinking about it. I can like feel it. But the second thing is to have a tail comb. Is that rat tail comb? And why is that the name? I guess rats, whatever. Like, not this one though. I mean, great if you have this, but specifically the one with the metal thingy, because it helps to create like more precise parts than this. And I really like when things are neat and detailed, and in terms of creating that nice center part or a side part that you want. I don't know why I keep chucking this up in the air, but this is perfect for that. All right, the next tool I want to show you guys is the pick. I know we all know this one, right? Boom, right? I love that. It's so cute. You know, when you do twist outs and braid outs, it's kind of flat on the first day, second day, and I like having a little volume, so you just your roots. Plus look at it, it has this and it's so cute. I love that. Yeah, anyways, now keeping in line with the whole comb, brush, whatever situation, I'm gonna show you guys this. I know you're thinking, everybody always talks about the Denman brush, and you're just like, we already know that, but like, here's the thing though, is it the real one? Because if you're like me and you thought you could shortcut it, I had a knockoff of this brush, and it did not work the same. That thing pulled my hair out. It didn't do nothing, you know, and it was so like horrible. But this baby gets it. It helps to detangle my hair effortlessly. It helps so much, and it really does add a little spruce of coils at the end. I mean, I'm sure the type 3 girls will love this ish, but where are my words though? I love the brush is what I'm saying. You know, it does make a difference, and I'm probably like more aware of that because I had the other one, and then this one, and I could be like, oh my gosh, it works. But yeah. All right, the next thing I want to show you guys are these babies. Look at these hair ties. They're hair ties, all right, and they don't have any of the metal thingies on it, so it's not gonna like snag your hair or pull any hair strands out. And plus, what I love about these, you know how in the regular hair ties they have that rubber thing that makes it stretch, but after a while it kind of wears out, and the thing has like rubber hair, no rubber hair, rubber hair, no rubber hair, rubber hair, and also like sometimes it gets in your hair and it's like a mess. Anyways, I love these because they don't have, it's just, there's not, this is the inside of it, it has nothing, it's just the cloth or whatever, and it's really stretchy. I'm gonna show you guys something. This is the new one, this is the old one, right? It stretches people, and it's amazing. All right, so the next tool in my collection is, I dropped it, sorry. These babies, these clips, right? So I use these, I don't know why I like doing that now. I use these like when I put my hair in sections when I'm doing a style. I love them because they're plastic. That's the truth. Because let's be real though, sometimes I don't remember where they are when I need them, and I'll just use, I'll see if where is it? Oh, it's on my hand. Oh, perfect. That was not staged, I swear. Sometimes I just use these because it's actually a handband, but if it's there, it's plastic. It's usually on my hand, and it's just easy for me to just zip it when I can't find these. But these babies are actually perfect for holding a section of hair in place when I need it out of the way. And I don't like to use like these, like, because they're cloth and my hair is gonna have products, it's gonna be wet. I don't want that to be all soaked up in these things, and I don't have to wash them. It's a whole thing. It's fine, it's fine. The next tool is this baby right here. Honestly, I don't remember the name of it. I don't remember the name of it, but I use it when I'm doing my wash day. So I'll scrub my scalp with it. It's really good for getting rid of buildup, but mostly, I'm gonna be honest, it's for the massage purposes. Like, especially when you use shampoos that have that minty, tingling feeling on your scalp, and you use this, and it just, I can feel it now, you know, it feels really nice. I don't always use this though, because sometimes, you know, you don't got time for that, let's be real. And please, I mean, while we're on the subject of the matter, please don't like use your nails to scratch your scalp up. Use your fingertips. So not don't do this. I think every natural hair person, man, woman, child should have one of these. The spray bottle, look at that baby right there. All right, so any spray bottle works. It doesn't have to be fancy or whatever. Anything works. Just anything works. I love this thing because, especially when I'm re-moisturizing, I like to damp my hair a little and then adding the moisturizer. Or the thing is, when you're washing your hair and it's time to style it, by the time you're almost half finished with this side of your hair, this side is drying out, and when it gets dry, the product won't apply as easily and the moisture is going away out of your hair before you can even get to seal it in. So that's why I love this baby right here, okay? And I always make sure it's like at least half filled even when I put it down, because next time I grab it up, I want it to just be ready. All right, just have things just ready. Now the next tool or accessory or whatever you want to call it is this baby right here. An applicator bottle. No, don't get it twisted. I mean, as you can see, this one is not what did I have in this? I had jojoba oil in this baby right here. I did not buy just like an empty applicator bottle. All right, so the next thing I want to show you guys is this baby right here. Okay, look at it. Look at how big it is, right? Look at it. I love this. All right, this is what I wear at night and sometimes during the day. I love it because it's huge, and this is my satin head wrap, or whatever you want to call it. Really, it's satin. Here it is. In my previous video where I talked about the 5 hair care tips for busy naturals, I did talk about all the benefits of using the satin pillowcase and the satin bonnet and the satin scarf. So you guys should check that video out if you haven't seen it already. But oh my gosh, I love this thing. The long and short of it is it does help to protect your hair a whole bunch. So if you haven't got one of those, or if you don't have like a satin bonnet or a satin pillowcase, I mean, you don't really need all 3, but if you want to, do it. The next thing I want to show you guys, this is my favorite thing of all because it has significantly made my life much easier. Okay, this baby right here, it's the blow dryer hood attachment. Honestly, I don't know if that's the correct name for it, but here it is. Okay, so you just attach this part. You attach this part to the blow dryer. You put it goes on it, and then you put this part over your head while it's wet, like so. I know it looks weird, but it works. And the thing is, I have the hood dryer, the one that you just over your head, and I mean, it's okay, but you can't move around with it and it gets uncomfortable. Plus this one's cheaper. This one's cheaper. Okay, I don't remember how much I paid for it. I got it off Amazon and it makes things much easier. In my last video where I did the dry wash and go, this is what I used to dry my hair, and I sat under it for like maybe 20 minutes, 30 minutes, somewhere around there, and my hair was dry like that. And the thing is, my hair takes a long time to dry. Like if you don't want to wait 3 days for a twist out or a braid out to dry, 3 days or more depending, then this is perfect because it at least to semi-dry your hair or fully dry. It's perfect. Like I was skeptical when I purchased it because I'm like, is it gonna work? And you know, you see people talking about things and they're like, oh my gosh, this is amazing, and you're just like, okay, you want to spend my money? But it's actually good. So yeah, I think I covered everything that I have to show you guys. I have other tools, but I wouldn't say they're essential, and some things I have and it's like, why am I spend my money on this? It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. How about some honorable mentions? I always make sure I'm stocked with these things, the rubber bands, because whenever you're doing a hair, like this is something that it's like you don't remember you need it, but when you want it, you need it. You know what I mean? So I always make sure that I have these. See, I put them in this little jar thing right here. And also these babies, I buy them in like a bunch. This is just like one of many that that I have right now, because here's the thing, I lose them a lot, and I feel like they're making them better nowadays, because one time these things, like the tip part would just like easily come off, but I feel like they stay on nowadays. Look at things getting better. And that's it for this video, guys. Let me know down below if you own any of these items already, or if you plan on adding anything to your toolbox for natural hair. And don't be scared to like the video, people, and subscribe if you haven't already. And you see that bell? Just tap it, click it, tap it. Okay, that's it for this video, guys. Bye.